Don't you know the rules of the road? That's a fatal mistake. Hello, I'm Lamar, your driving instructor. Join us and drive safely and without a ticket. Today we're going to learn how to reverse parking. It's very easy if you know all the rules. So here we go. Step 1. Find a spot where you can visually fit your car. Step 2. Align the side rear-view mirror with the parking space location line. Step 3. Before you start parking, make sure there is no one behind you and that you are not in anyone's way. Step 4. Turn the wheels of the vehicle to the left side and start driving forward until you see the corner of the parking slot in the right rear-view mirror. Step 5. Now turn the wheels of the car to the right side and start reversing until the car is parallel to the other cars parked. Step 6. Align your wheels straight and back up a little more. Congratulations, you have successfully parked. Now practice on your own on unloaded sections of road. A few tries will be enough for you, and you will have no problem using reverse parking in your normal life.